Success. What does that mean? Success. Have you tried your best? Are you prepared? Have you been patiently, carefully waiting for your opportunity to arrive? Nobody is born successful. I wasn't. I experienced failure many times. I tasted disappointment over and over again. I agonized over each and every mistake. I learned easily that losing is painful, that hardship is common, that struggle builds character. It is a gift given to the strong. So I ask you, are you strong enough? Do you have the will, the desire, the passion to succeed? Will you be afraid to try? Will your emotions get in your way? Will you let all the times that you heard no be the deciding factor? Or will you simply stand up, rise to the occasion, trust your preparation, try your best, and succeed? You may only get one shot. Will you make it?
Are you happy? Are you happy? All that for nothing. Channel it, fellas. Channel it. We win together, we're gonna lose together. We're gonna lose together. Nobody don't want to win more than the next man. But at the end of the day, gotta keep going, bro. These your brothers, man. We about to go into battle. We about to go into battle right now.